Hey, and today we'll be talking about binomials. So, a binomial is a type of algebraic expression that contains two terms which are separated by either a plus or a minus. So, the general form of this is a plus b or a minus b. And in this case, a and b can be constants, variables, or expressions. Now let me show you some examples of binomials. So example 1, x plus 3. Example 2, 2y minus 5. Example 3, a squared plus b squared. And example 4, 3x squared minus 4x. Now what makes these binomials? Well, they each contain two terms. I'll highlight it over here. X and 3, 2y and 5, a squared and b squared, and 3x squared and 4x. And they are separated by either a plus or a minus. Here, and here. Now, why are binomials important? Well, one example is the binomial expansion. Using the binomial theorem, we can expand powers of binomials. So I'll give you an example. So we have a plus b all squared, and we can expand this, and it will become a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is a slightly more advanced example. And a more simple example is factoring. So binomials can be factored or used to factor larger expressions. So let's actually factor one of our examples right over here. So we have 3x squared minus 4x. How can we factor this? Well, we see an x in common here and here. So let's factor out this x. So this will be equal to x, a large bracket, 3. We factor out the x. So this becomes 3x minus 4. And how do we know this is correct? Well, let's expand this again. Expanding this, we get x multiplied by 3x, which is 3x squared, and then x multiplied by 4, which is 4x. 3x squared minus 4x is correct, and that's it for the introduction to binomials. I hope you understood this video, and thank you for watching.